Hello student, today I am going to do conversion of galvanometer into ammeter and voltmeter. Let us do first conversion of galvanometer into ammeter. What is ammeter? An ammeter is an instrument used to measure electric current in an electric circuit. Now you see the diagram. When a small resistance is called shunt connected in parallel to the galvanometer, G is called ammeter. That is, a galvanometer can be converted into an ammeter by connecting a low resistance called shunt parallel to the galvanometer. Let G and S be the resistance of a galvanometer and shunt respectively. Let I be the current to be measured by an ammeter in the circuit. Ig be the current flowing through the galvanometer, corresponding to which galvanometer gives the full scale deflection. If total current is I, one part of current Ig flows through the galvanometer, then remaining current I minus Ig which flows through the shunt. Since G and S are in parallel, therefore potential difference across the galvanometer is equal to potential difference across the shunt. Potential difference across galvanometer, since Ig is the flow of current through the galvanometer and G is the resistance of the galvanometer, so potential difference is Ig G, and potential difference across shunt, I minus Ig is the current flows through the shunt and resistance of the shunt is S, so potential difference is I minus Ig S. Therefore S equal to Ig G by I minus Ig. This is the value of shunt which is connected in parallel to the galvanometer to convert galvanometer into an ammeter. Now we are going to convert galvanometer into voltmeter. What is voltmeter? A voltmeter is an instrument used to measure the potential difference across the two ends of a circuit element. A galvanometer can be converted into a voltmeter by connecting a large resistance in series to the galvanometer. Now you see the diagram. R is the high resistance and G is the resistance of the galvanometer. This high resistance connected in series to the galvanometer, then this galvanometer converted into voltmeter. Let G and R be the resistance of a galvanometer and a resistance in series respectively. Let V be the potential difference to be measured by the voltmeter. Let Ig be the current flowing in the circuit corresponding to which the voltmeter gives the full scale deflection. Since R and G both are connected in series, hence potential difference across between points A and B is given by V equal to Ig R plus Ig G. We can take common Ig R plus G. R plus G equal to V by Ig. R equal to V by Ig minus G. This is the value of resistance connected in series to the galvanometer to convert the galvanometer into voltmeter. For today this much. Thank you.